Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize the HyperOS lock screen depth effect on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. First of all, hold your finger down on the lock screen and select Customize lock screen once you see this button appearing on the screen. Then enter your password and under your wallpaper tap Customize. And to enable depth effect, just tap on it right here. And as you can see, it will be applied immediately. Now it is only available for photos that support that effect, so the photos with an object in front of some kind of background which your smartphone recognizes using its AI features. Now if your wallpaper doesn't support depth effects, you can select one of the other ones. For example, here you can select a wallpaper here and enable or disable depth effect for it, and then tap apply to add it to either your lock screen or home screen, so whatever you choose basically. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.